Greetings from the luxurious journey of the future. Audi wants to reinvent luxury on wheels by 2026. So set aside your stereotypes about RVs. You will be amazed by the 2026 Audi Motorhome's technological and design capabilities, which blend an adventurous attitude with Audi flair. Audi's distinctive clean lines, striking and adaptable matrix LED lighting, and an aerodynamic profile that is both aesthetically pleasing and optimized for optimal efficiency, particularly to match its powertrain, give the outside of the car a futuristic and minimalist feel. Actually, the 2026 Audi Motorhome is anticipated to have two cutting-edge options. Either a plug-in hybrid, PHEV powertrain that combines an efficient TFSI petrol engine with an electric motor to provide optimal range flexibility and low emissions, or a full electric, EV powertrain driven by a powerful electric motor with a large battery capacity for a long range. The driver's cabin is incredibly luxurious and well-equipped with state-of-the-art equipment as soon as you step inside. The 2026 Audi Motorhome's dashboard is the ideal fusion of contemporary style and functionality. In the control center, a huge, curved OLED screen is Audi's most recent MMI infotainment system, which has 3D navigation and cutting-edge networking. With its movable, clear graphics and augmented reality head-up display that puts important information right in front of you, the driver's instruments are entirely digital. Premium materials like Valcona leather, matte carbon fiber, and polished metal accents create a unique and focused cockpit environment. Additionally, the majority of physical buttons have been replaced with intuitive haptic feedback controls. The primary interior space is an unparalleled haven of beauty and majesty. It may be set up in a number of ways to suit your needs due to its massive size and modular construction. The luxurious leather seats may be folded flat or completely swiveled to create a roomy lounge for lounging or a classy eating area. The ideal ambience for any gathering is produced with adjustable multicolor LED ambient lighting and large panoramic windows that offer wide views of the outdoors. The significant use of carbon fiber, open-pore wood, and sustainable premium textiles in the interior materials demonstrates Audi's dedication to ecologically conscious luxury. The bedroom is a beautiful, tranquil haven. It features a luxurious memory foam mattress, plush linens, and a cozy king-size bed. Simple and comfortable, the design has effective concealed storage and separate reading lighting. Soundproofing guarantees a restful night's sleep away from outside distractions, while windows with motorized blinds offer complete seclusion. Some designs may additionally contain a guest pull-down bed. The 2026 Audi Motorhome's bathroom is like having a mobile spa. A full-size shower with a rain head and digital temperature control, a high-end ceramic toilet, and a sophisticated sink with a designer faucet are all features of this tastefully decorated bathroom. Surfaces include LED-lit mirrors, an effective ventilation system, and premium waterproof materials like quartz stone or contemporary composites. The ingenious toiletry storage that is completely integrated keeps everything neat and orderly. The 2026 Audi Motorhome's kitchen is a stunning example of efficiency and design. The high-end appliances in this gourmet kitchen are made by reputable companies. It has a large refrigerator and freezer, a built-in microwave and convection oven, a 2-burner induction stove, and even a small dishwasher. The kitchen counter features a wide sink with a contemporary pull-out faucet and is constructed of a sturdy and stylish solid surface material. You can prepare a tasty supper wherever you go thanks to ergonomic storage cabinets that offer enough room for all of your possessions and kitchenware.